So this is the front of the US Consulate. Always restriction, no cameras, no phones, no weapons, no gun. If you don't go in with phone, how would you be able to contact people who are outside? Or how would you be able to reach out to someone if need be? No camera, okay, fine. No TV, no screens. The prohibition is so much here. I don't know what they are hiding. But that's none of our business.
Construction of the new United States Consulate General in Lagos began with a high-profile groundbreaking in 2022 on a 12.2-acre reclaimed coastal site in Echo Atlantic City. An ambitious urban district built on land reclaimed from the Echo Atlantic Ocean off Victoria Island, Lagos. This project, budgeted at roughly $537 million, is designed to be the largest U.S. consulate in the world, a modern diplomatic campus demonstrating the deep strategic and economic partnership between the United States and Nigeria. The master plan, led by Ennard Architects of New York with support from Nigeria and American partners, incorporates multiple buildings including a main office tower, support facilities, public spaces, and secure processing areas, all aiming for LEED Silver Sustainability certification, highlighting energy efficiency, resilience, and green building principles. Stakeholders estimate that about 2,500 Nigerian workers, from engineers and architects to artisans and construction crews, will be engaged during construction, injecting around $90 to $95 million into the local economy and fostering new technical skills and safety expertise. Set against the backdrop of Echo Atlantic rapidly growing skyline and premium waterfront district, the consulate is scheduled for completion in 2027, marking a major milestone in Lagos' transformation into a global diplomatic and commercial hub. This is the U.S. Consulate construction in Echo Atlantic City, Lagos, Nigeria. Let's watch the video and discover more construction updates, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get back into the premises.
It's really hot and sunny and also dusty around here. Very dusty, like very dusty. I can't raise up the camera properly because this premises video is prohibited, so this is the best I could do until we walk past this area. So it's prohibited to film around here, so this is the best I could do. So please bear with me. As you can see, this interlocking has blocked this road. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to take a look at the U.S. Consulate Embassy construction right here at Echo Atlantic City. My name is Emmanuel. Please do well to like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel because there's amazing things you'll definitely find out about this video. Now, this construction has been going on for a couple of months now, even about 13 to 15 months now, and they are not yet complete. They are not yet where they wish to be, and that's because they are taking it at a slow pace, obviously because they are not in a hurry, in a rush. But regardless, I'm here today to show you what the construction looks like as of February 1st, 2026. So it's a new year. We have to look out for what has been done. You can see the premises are so scanty, obviously because today is a Sunday. Workers have gone home, and the ones who are here are the ones doing like overtime, and not everyone does that. So we'll be going to the US Consulate Embassy to see what's new, what's working, what's stopped, and what's not working. So let's go. So after this roundabout, this is the road that leads to the US Consulate, and if you take a look, you see that this is where the interlock stop. So they haven't done the road that leads to the US Consulate. It has been graded, but no interlocking yet. So this is how the road looks like currently, as of today, February 1st, 2026. It's been graded. There are construction beside the embassy, but the road isn't interlocked yet. The last time we came to make a video here, it was really tough because all over the premises we were not allowed to film, not allowed to do any kind of thing. So these are some of those places that when you come to film, it's really hard for you. But regardless, you just have to do something, find your way, create something at least to create awareness. And that's why we are here, and I believe we are also going to get something out today. So let's keep going. Grading the road over there, so they use it to block it. They tied it to let you know that there is no access. But if you look ahead, that's the US Consulate building you're seeing. That's it. Maybe we'll get a drone view so you see the building from top and you see what's in the premises. This is one of those buildings that after the completion, visa and traveling stress will reduce, because there is no US embassy or consulate office in Lagos, or a proper one rather. But once this one is here, not everyone has to go to Abuja or other states just to seek for visa or do traveling stress. You know how it goes. But after the completion of this one, I believe to some certain extent there's going to be relief, and also this is going to create over 1,000 job opportunities for Nigerians and also boost the economy in some way. And it's built right here at the middle of a cool Atlantic city. This is the phase 1, so let's just expect good. So that's the US Consulate Embassy construction right behind me, and as you can see, this construction is going to take a few more years. I think before 2028 or 2029, let's just at max, because the construction is not being done on a very fast pace. It seems they are taking their time, or there are some things they are also doing. But aside that, this construction is going to take a lot of time, and upon completion, I'm very sure this is going to create a lot of job opportunities and also bring maybe both countries more together, because the restriction on Nigerians is so much, especially from the United States. So this is going to help relieve some, I believe. I'm just saying, but I know there are people who know better, so I'm just saying from my own point of view.